Manage who can access and see your CRM using the Roles feature. Create permission roles that you can assign to the users and manage restrictions. Click this button to edit a role. Click this button to duplicate a role. Click this icon to delete a role. To create a new role, click on the plus symbol located at the bottom right of the screen. Add the role name, description, and role permissions. You can assign permissions to a user whether they can create, read, update, or delete anything from the CRM. Make sure to activate the role before saving the request by switching the Active button. Activating this function means making it ready and live for CRM use. Save once finalized.